What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2Makeup. So today's video is going to be a video I've never done before, but one of you requested that I do a quick tutorial of I was wearing it in my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions tutorial. It's just like a ballerina bun, a high bun, and it's really super easy. It's actually like my go-to hairstyle for when I'm like running late to work and I just need to do something quick. So it's really a lot easier than it looks. So I thought I would do it for you guys. It is 4:53 in the morning right now. I was actually at work, but this never happens. We had too many nurses, so I got sent home early. I ain't mad at. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna sit down and do this real quick. So if you would like to see, I mean, I'm not saying I'm a hair expert, because Lord knows I'm not. I cannot cut a straight line for the life of me. But this, I do know how to do. So if you would like to see how to do it, it's a quick, easy, cute hairstyle, especially for the summer, then keep on watching. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe to my channel because I'm just awesome. You're awesome, so you know, it makes sense. All right, let's get into it. So I used to have really thick hair, but it has been thinning. I am losing so much hair because of my hypothyroidism and just getting older. So you don't need thick hair to do this, is what I'm saying. But what you do need is, you're gonna need one of these, a little bun thing, I don't know what they're called. And you know what's funny? I actually have had this for like 2 years, but I never knew how to use it. And then I'm like, I'm gonna figure out how to use it. And then I've just been obsessed with it ever since I finally figured out how to do it. So if you don't have one of these, you can get one. I also know there's a way to like make one out of a sock or something, but I don't know how to do that. But I'm sure you could find a video on YouTube of how you can do that if you don't have one of these. But so I usually do this hairstyle on like second day hair. Doesn't really matter, but alright, so what you're gonna need is a brush, some bobby pins, a elastic hair tie, some hairspray. So what you're gonna do is make sure your hair is brushed and there's no knots or anything, and then you're just gonna want to do a high ponytail. So you're not gonna be able to see it, but I'm gonna flip my head upside down and get my ponytail as high as I possibly can and put it in an elastic. So now you can like smooth yours out. I like mine kind of a little like bumpy and messy. I don't like it to be like too perfect. So now you're going to take your bun maker, whatever it's called, and you're going to grab your ponytail and then just pull it through, okay? So now you're going to take your ponytail and we're going to split it in half. And then we're just going to lay each half on the side, okay? Now we're just going to like move this forward. And then we're going to do the same to the back, and then just kind of feel around and make sure none of the bun holder is showing. So now you're going to put one hand and you're going to grab the bun holder, okay? Now with your other hand, you're going to take all the hair and you're going to go around and you're going to gather all that. And as you're doing that, you kind of put it under the bun holder. gonna go around and bobby pin any loose hairs and just kind of all around to make sure it stays. To spray the hell out of it with some hairspray. And another trick I like to do, like if it doesn't look like perfect or there's still some like pieces sticking out, what I like to do is, okay, so what you can do is you can also take like a small clear elastic, and you can do this before you put the bobby pins in if you want. That's usually what I do. And then you just put it around the bun so that it keeps all those extra pieces tucked in. So here's what it looks like from the front. I like wearing a headband with it. I think it looks cute. And then I will turn around and show you what it looks like from the back. So that's it. I mean, it is super simple, quick, easy. I just had to learn how to use that thing. And I just love this hairstyle. Like, you could wear this so many places, you know? This could be beach, you could make it messier, you can do whatever you want, make it more polished for like, you know, fancy event or something. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. I mean, I'm definitely not a hair guru, but if someone asks for something, then I'm gonna give it to you. If you guys have any other requests of types of videos you would like to see, I would love to hear them. So just put them in the comments and let me know. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.